Hi, friends and everyone. I want to introduce to you this platform, this program that is quite interesting. It's an investment whereby it doesn't require your investment, it doesn't require your capital to start up, and it is called Gram Free. With Gram Free, you can do some minimum tasks, and the things that is only require is your smartphone or computer and data, and just little of your time you can earn. Gram is a cryptocurrency based on blockchain platform and developed by Telegram. And here are how you earn through Gram Free. You can earn through free roll, and you can earn through lottery. You can also earn through watching of video clips and participating in lottery. So the way to register in this Gram Free is via your Google account or Facebook. So if you are having any of both, you can register on this gram free. And if you have earned up to minimum of 500 gram, then you can withdraw your grams to any platform, maybe through Bitcoin, Bitcash, or any other platform. Try it out, and I'm wishing to see you as the next expire. Thank you.